come to MIT, I've like slowly had the realization that the MIT libraries was just more than a collection of books.
We're asking you to challenge everything you think you know about libraries.
We have all kinds of different books, so that's one thing that surprises people is our literature collection, graphic novels, the movies we have, equipment that you can check out. Then we have really unusual collections.
The whole MIT community can access different immersive technologies. We have virtual reality headsets, we have GoPro, and then we also have 360 cameras.
We are thinking about collections that would be of interest to our students and faculty. If you're doing research papers, we have primary sources, we have the original materials. It's basically like you're working with history.
I think that MIT Libraries is both trying to keep up with the technology, but the other part is to reflect what the community is trying to do at large and be as forward-thinking as they are and being able to meet the needs that they're creating in that work. And I think the drones is a good example of that. I think that the GIS lab has been a good example of that.